Welcome back to Comfy Boost, a place to get your weekly dose of wellness, beauty and comfort tips and tricks and challenges to apply straight in your busy schedules.
Okay, now let's go straight to the recipes. In this video we're going to show you how to prepare two different smoothies. One of them is going to be a banana, strawberry and peppermint smoothie, and the other one is going to be pineapple and peppermint smoothie. Both of them are really good as a breakfast or as a welcome drink for your guests.
For this recipe you will need 6 mint leaves, half pineapple, 300 milliliters water, 1 tablespoon honey and some ice cubes or crushed ice.
Let's get to it. Chop and peel pineapple. Once that is done, put the chopped pineapple, mint leaves, water and honey in a blender and blend until smooth. Then add ice cubes and blend more if needed. You can garnish this smoothie with fresh mint or a pineapple slice. This is a very refreshing smoothie and especially great for getting summer vibes. Average cooking time, 10 minutes.
For this smoothie you need half bunch of mint, 2 bananas, 200 grams strawberries, and 1 tablespoon honey.
There aren't many steps to prepare a smoothie, so you can just put all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. For garnishing, you can choose whatever you wish. You can garnish with fresh mint, or with the bananas, or with the strawberries, or with all of them. Average cooking time, 5 minutes. We really hope that you enjoyed our video on peppermint recipes. And if you did, give us a thumbs up. If you tried any of our recipes, please comment below. Also, if you have found any really cool adjustments to the recipes, let us know. And if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for new lifestyle tips and tricks.
Thank you for watching and see you next week. Bye!
Ciao!